How do you choose to start your week? I choose to start my week by heading to church today. I have been promising myself for weeks now, guys, that I am going to church. And sometimes when you're led to go to church, it's best to obey. I'm always praying at home whenever I don't go to church or in my car. There I am starting my week off in church.
Miraculous, you are supernatural. You are the center of my focus. Jesus.
So guys, I am back from church and I stopped at the grocery store to get a few things. I got myself a pack of chicken legs, a pack of shrimp, and I'm going to be cooking some shrimp pasta today. And I got myself the heavy cream and onion, a pack of boties. This is what I'm going to be using for my pasta, and a pack of shredded cheese. And guess how much? With all of these things, and I got myself, I've got a bread, guys, which is for my son. Because I got these bread for my son, and he likes this butter bread. It's buy one get one free at Publix. So in total, I spent $33.80. Not bad, because I got a few things, right? Despite the inflation, guys. So I'll see you when I start my dinner. Let's get right into the cooking. I got him dressed and now I'm ready to prepare myself to make some shrimp pasta. Let's start cooking. Let's wash these shrimps with lemon. I am making sure my shrimps are cleaned properly. It's time to season these shrimps with my favorite seasonings. This is a little twist to my shrimp pasta, adding some jerk sauce. Jerk sauce makes your pasta a little spicy but nice and flavorful. Let's add some chopped onions. Chop onions in your pasta. It's the best. I added all my ingredients with my shrimp and now I'm sauteing. Nothing but a nice jerk shrimp pasta. I know you were wondering what happened to my pasta sauce. I added some heavy whipping cream to my shrimp pasta. This was so delicious. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one.